When we think about the Arctic, what do we think about? For many people, the first thing that may come to mind are images of glaciers, snow, or ice. Maybe some of us think about a harsh, barren landscape, one that lacks any major signs of life. Perhaps we think about climate change, and images of melting glaciers goes through our minds. But the Arctic is much more than just snow and ice. Life is found here, and come springtime, the Arctic literally blooms with life. Plants start to emerge and turn green after a cold, dark winter. And where plants grow, animals such as caribou and muskoxen follow, eating those plants. This is what my research is about. I study these Arctic communities. I not only observe the plants as they change through the spring season, but I also consider how the timing of these changes impacts the animals that eat them. We're going to head up to start a day, look at the first lookout. Each spring, we walk through the tundra, making daily counts of the animals we see in our study area. Additionally, we observe plants as they progress through the growing season. These cameras will take pictures of whatever is in front of it, making an idea of emergence. With recent climate change, we are seeing that plants are starting to emerge earlier in the year. This has created a problem for at least one animal that relies on these plants: caribou. Each year, between May and June, caribou migrate to their inland calving grounds where their young will be born. This is an energy-intensive time for mothers. They rely on high-quality food to provide the fuel needed to nurse their newborns. The plants these animals eat are most nutritious when they first start to turn green, or emerge. Unfortunately for caribou, the timing of when they give birth is not moving forward to keep up with the timing of plants. As a result, caribou are having fewer calves, and the number of calf deaths is increasing. Until now, our research has focused largely on caribou. But now, we are starting to shift our focus and study muskoxen. Remarkably, muskoxen have not been suffering from earlier plant timing like caribou have. In fact, they may actually benefit from earlier plant timing. Because they remain at our study site year-round instead of migrating from the coast like caribou, they can actually eat the plants as they begin to emerge. Therefore, I hope to study the relationship between these animals and the plants they eat. That way, we can have a better understanding of how species living in the same ecosystem may respond differently to climate change.